Comedian Samay Raina has once again landed in controversy, and this time involving the Supreme Court. The issue stems from an episode of India's Got Talent, where Samay made a remark about 2-month-old spinal muscular atrophy patient needing a ₹16 crore injection. SMA is a rare genetic disorder caused by mutation in the SMN1 gene, and the remark, deemed insensitive, prompted the Cure SMA Foundation to approach the court. In a significant order, the Supreme Court has now directed Samay and 4 other comedians, Vipul Goel, Sonali Thakkar, Balraj Paramjit Singh Ghai, and Nishan Jagdish Tanwar, to organize 2 fundraising events every month for persons with disabilities, including those living with SMA. During the hearing, Chief Justice of India Surya Kant emphasized that the court was imposing a social obligation, not a punishment. We hope and expect that such memorable events will take place before we hear the matter next. It's a social burden we are putting on you, not penal burden. You're all well-placed person in society. If you have become too popular, then share it with others, he said, as quoted by the TOI. The bench further instructed the comedians to actively highlight inspiring stories of differently abled individuals. They also suggested featuring specially abled persons on their digital platforms and using their visibility to promote fundraising efforts that can facilitate timely treatment for those in need. The directives comes in response to the Cure SMA Foundation's plea, which sought against Samay and others for their comment referencing the one-time cost of Zolgensma, an extremely expensive gene therapy crucial for SMA patients. In the episode, Samay joked about how mother might react if ₹16 crore suddenly appeared in her husband's bank account, an attempt at humor that quickly spiraled into public outrage. For now, the court has expressed hope that at least 1 or 2 charity events will be organized before the comedian's next appearance, making a shift from controversy to accountability. Until then, make sure to follow and subscribe to FPJ Showbiz for more such updates.